if the ends of your hair are not protected, they keep breaking, how are you even going to see what is growing from the roots? Hello girls, I love you. I get lost when I look in your eyes. I just want to be next to you. Whatever I'm saying in this video doesn't make me the perfect person who practices all of these steps. As I'm teaching, I'm also learning. Today I'm going to be talking about 5 major reasons why your 4C hair is not growing. I have 4C hair, and for a long time I dealt with stunted growth. I've had a lot of, I don't want to use the word crazy, but I've had a lot of dramatic experiences with my hair. So let's get into this video. Now, the first reason why your 4C hair is not growing is because your hair is dry all the time. Oh my god, I always say this: when you want to detangle your hair, you don't do it dry. If you're taking out your braids, if you're taking out your natural braids, your natural twists, always have your moisturizer with you. There is a reason why we have leave-in conditioner. Now, your leave-in conditioner is different from the conditioner you use to wash your hair after you use the shampoo. So I'm going to, like, this as some leave-in conditioners I would recommend for you that I have used personally, and they were working so well. If you see any other kind of leave-in conditioner around you that you think is so good, just use it. Like, you can't leave your hair dry. If your hair is dry all the time, your hair is going to keep breaking, and even if it is growing, you're not going to see the growth, because what is actually growing is breaking off. The second reason why your 4C hair is not growing is because it is breaking faster than it grows. The constant combing, the tight hairstyles, you don't need them. Now, instead of hairstyles like this, and this, how about you go for hairstyles like this, and this? Now, I'm not going to police the kind of hairstyle you have on your head, but just make sure whatever you're doing, you can still slay, you can still get your braids, you can still get your curly hairs. Just make sure it is not holding your scalp too tight. Make sure whatever you have on your head is not going to be stressing your scalp, it's not going to be pulling too hard on your scalp if you're going to avoid stunted growth on your 4C hair. I am also going to advise that you stay careful with the kind of comb you brush your hair with. I'm not going to tell you are supposed to brush your hair constantly, yes, but the kind of comb, the kind of brush you use for your 4C hair is very important and sensitive. The fact that there are several types of hair brushes, hair combs in the market doesn't mean they are all meant for your hair. There are different textures of hair, and today we're talking about 4C hair. So instead of using comb like this, use comb like this. The third reason I'm going to be giving you is that you don't protect the ends of your hair. Now, if the ends of your hair are not protected, they keep breaking, how are you even going to see what is growing from the roots? Now, you also like to protect the ends of your hair. Like I said earlier, detangling with a leave-in conditioner is very important. Every time you want to comb your hair, if you're going out on natural hairstyles, make sure you detangle, you brush, you style with a leave-in conditioner, because the more you comb harder on dry hair, the more your hair is going to be falling off. And now there are some hairstyles that you need to be careful of when you're taking out. Hairstyles like faux locks, hairstyles like buns, Brazilian wools might end up making you cut some parts of your hair off. So if you know that you cannot take out certain hairstyles by yourself, I would advise you to go to a salon and let a professional who has eyes and can see the back of your head to do it for you, please. Number 4, using too much heat on your hair, too much blow drying, too much straightening is going to weaken the strands of your hair. 4C hair is not naturally straight. Yes, your hair might be a little bit stretched naturally, but it is not straight, it is not silky pressed hair naturally from birth. So if you're going to keep straightening your hair with high heat, it is going to weaken the strands of your hair, it's going to thin your hair, and that's why some of you are like, oh, my hair is not as full as this, my hair is not as full as this, no matter what I do, my 4C hair is always like this. It's because you want your hair, like sometimes you straighten your hair and you can literally smell your hair burning. The last reason why your 4C hair is not growing is because you're not patient. Some of you just want to see your hair grow from this to this in like 2 months. Nah, let's be realistic. everybody's growth process is not the same. Some people have the advantage of what do they call it, hereditary, is that what it is? Yeah, you need to be patient with the right steps. If you follow all of these steps I'm giving you, and I might give more steps later subsequently, but if you're conscious of these things, trust me, you're going to see changes. You need to be careful of the way you handle your 4C hair. If you don't handle it right, you're not going to get the right results. So take care of your 4C hair. I love you, my fellow black girls. Bye.